వెల్కమ్ టు ద ఛానల్. నేను మీ సుధా గంటి అండ్ ఇవాళ మంగళవారం సినిమాకి సంబంధించి ఐ హావ్ పాయల్ రాజ్పుట్ బట్ రియలీ ఐ వాంట్ టు డెడికేట్ అ సాంగ్. కోరుకున్న ప్రేయసివే దూరమైన ఊర్వశివే జాలి లేని రాక్షసివే గుండెలోని నాకసివే. హాయ్,
Hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యు డూయింగ్?
I'm doing really good, and that was such a beautiful introduction. I love it, man.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Such
సో
a great
మచ్.
singer.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah.
సో అజయ్ భూపతి గారు ఈ స్టోరీ మీ దగ్గరికి తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు వాట్ డ్రూ యూ? ఎస్ ఐ హావ్ టు డూ దిస్ అని.
The very first thing, as you all know, he had launched me back in 2018 with this magnanimous and incredible hit,
Mhm.
RX 100. So I was yearning to work with him, to be very honest. I kept calling him here and there, and he was like, "Payal, if something good will come up, then definitely you can expect a call from my side."
Yep.
So I got to know, like, in January or somewhere, like he's casting for his next film, and I
Mhm.
just contacted him and I just dropped him one message. After a couple of days, he contacted me. He was like, "Hi, how are you?" And I was expecting something, sir, and immediately he was like, "I want to narrate you something." I got it,
ఓకే.
and we had couple of sittings and conversation for the narration and everything, and I immediately drawn towards it because of its compelling storyline and narrative. I mean, I am trying my hands for the very first time. I think
Okay.
second time in this unconventional cinema or contemporary one. Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో ఒక కో స్టార్తో కెమిస్ట్రీ తీసుకురావాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఎస్ కొంచెం కంఫర్ట్ ఉండదు అండ్ ఆల్. లైక్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ మేనేజ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్?
It is
Yeah,
indeed.
yeah.
Once the story will start getting unfolding, the tomorrow once you encounter this remarkable film, you will get to know what I'm talking about,
Yeah,
because I
yeah.
don't have much of liberty to disclose a lot about this character.
Yes, yes.
But I'm playing this village girl, Telugu Ammai,
Mhm.
and she begins to experience something unusual around her. She was leading a very normal life, and immediately something unusual is started happening to her, and she finds herself in challenging circumstances and trying to navigate through those compelling emotional journey. This is something about that. So that was a very difficult and very challenging role for me. This one,
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
done like 15 to 16 films so far in my career in different languages. But this one, oh my gosh, that was very difficult for me. Trust me.
Okay.
I mean, initially it was so difficult for me to get into the skin of the character, and eventually it was so difficult to snap out of it.
Correct.
And Ajay sir told me on a very first day of my shoot, like, Payal, just come with a blank slate. Just
Correct.
don't come here on the sets with your preconceived notions, your perception, what you are thinking about the character. No, just come blankly, empty mind, and we'll do it here only.
ఓకే. సో ఈ సినిమా షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎనీ మెమరబుల్ మొమెంట్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ ఎనీ ఫనీ ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్
Funny?
Yeah.
You're talking about funny?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the whole film is so serious. But
బట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది షూట్ లైక్ నో వన్ ఇస్ ఫనీ లైక్ సమ్ గుడ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ యా.
I think we were taking this film very seriously. On the
Okay.
sets also, we were kind of serious because it was mentally exhausting for me doing such characters. I told my mom, I don't know, I'm not feeling good, I'm overthinking, and a lot of things were going around.
ఇట్ ఈస్ పర్సనలీ రిలేటెడ్?
It was not personally related. Actually, when you do such a character who is suffering, who can feel sorrow, resilience, and a lot of things inside, it's a emotional drainage. It comes with its own sets of challenges, and Mangalvaram is no exception. It's something like that only. But yeah, it was like emotionally I got really drained and exhausted there. And if I'll tell you one of the incidents. There was one scene, I think during climax, I was crying, and I kept crying at least for 10-15 minutes, and I didn't know why.
Oh my god.
But I was so affected emotionally, I was drained.
Yeah.
So that way I've given my 100%. Hopefully people would be able to resonate with that, what I have done for them. And I'm just waiting for their reception. I'm just waiting for their reviews after first day, first show. I want them to encounter my performance and say, like, I don't know.
You will
See, I'm getting
be a
malli
star. Yeah,
goosebumps vastunai.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, this film I hold very, very close to my
touch
heart.
wood, it will be a
That's so
super
good.
super hit. And coming to the title Mangalvaram, did
Yes.
Ajay Bhupati garu told why it is Mangalvaram?
I think after a month or so, he told me that we are planning to keep this. This is a tentative one, and afterwards he finalized. And I love this title. I just love it. Such a pan-India title. Plus, it goes with our story. Like
Okay.
it's blending with that. So that way it's like amazing.
Okay, very nice. So, one word about Mangalvaram finally.
Goosebumps.
Goosebumps, we are waiting
Everyone
for
is
that.
experiencing that, so I think one word can be that only. Otherwise, it's a very beautiful psychological thriller,
Uh-huh.
and it's going to transport you in some other world of thrills and suspense. So
Okay.
yeah, just wait for it.
Okay, last
Wait
but
for
not
it.
the least,
Yes.
3 things you love about Hyderabad.
First one is biryani. Biryani, I love it, from Meridian. I'm not promoting anything, but I love Meridian veg biryani. Then I love this karam dosa.
Oh my God.
Karam dosa. And third one is Bismillah Bhat.
Oh,
So I am
love
like
it.
deep down.
You're a foodie, man.
I'm big time foodie. I know
Yeah.
how I'm controlling my appetite. I can eat, in fact, 4-5 rotis at one go. I'm that
Mhm.
big foodie, but I have to diet. I have to control my things just to look
Okay.
good
Yeah.
and graceful all the time. So I have to control it. But I'm
Definitely.
big time foodie.
Okay, okay. 3 people you love from Telugu film industry. Who are the 3 people?
See. Prabhas Garu, Ajay sir, and Arjun Garu.
Very nice. Okay, one thing you love about me.
About you, I love the way you sung the song for me.
This
I just
is
love
just
that.
for
You
you.
have such a positive vibe, and I can sense it. So you are a gorgeous human being.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
And
you,
please
Aunty.
tell one word about Mangalvaram, so people have to come down
Not
to the
one word.
theaters.
They have to watch my film. Please watch our
Yes.
film. I'm completely relying on you, on your trust. So please, Miru na kotha movie tapakunda churandi. I'm just waiting for your reviews and reception.
పిల్లారా అన్నట్టు షిల్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఎవ్రీ పిల్లలు అందరూ థియేటర్కి రండి, మంగళవారం సినిమా చూడండి. రిలీజ్ అవుతోంది ఎల్లుండి శుక్రవారం. ఖచ్చితంగా వచ్చి థియేటర్లో చూడండి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ పాయల్ ఇస్ గార్జియస్ అండ్ గార్జియస్ యాక్టింగ్ అయితే
So do
చేస్తుంది.
you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.